Have you ever wondered why Mars, out of all the celestial bodies, has been the center of our curiosity and exploration? It's not the closest planet to us nor the biggest, but it holds a special place in our collective consciousness. Mars, known as the Red Planet, is a world of wonder. Its distinct reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, has sparked the imagination of stargazers for centuries. This unique color is a result of iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Just imagine a planet millions of miles away, yet we can discern its color from our backyards on a clear night. Fascinating, isn't it? But the intrigue doesn't stop at its color. Mars has other striking similarities to Earth that make it a prime candidate for exploration and potential colonization. For instance, a day on Mars, or a sol as it's called, is approximately 24 hours and 40 minutes. That's just over half an hour longer than a day here on Earth. It's almost as if Mars operates on its own cosmic daylight saving time. And much like our home planet, Mars also has a tilted axis. This means it experiences seasons much like we do, albeit with more extreme temperatures due to its thin atmosphere. The idea of a planet so distant, yet so similar, stirs the explorer in all of us. Over the past few decades, our fascination has turned into a tangible quest, as we've sent numerous missions to study this enigmatic planet. These missions have provided us with incredible insights, unraveling some of the mysteries of Mars, yet leaving us with even more questions. Every new discovery fuels our curiosity and deepens our understanding of the universe. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our innate desire to explore the unknown, and our undying hope to find answers to the most profound questions of existence. So, let's delve deeper into the history of our fascination with the Red Planet. The story of Mars begins thousands of years ago with our ancestors. In the clear, unpolluted night skies of ancient Egypt, early astronomers observed a reddish celestial body that seemed to wander against the backdrop of fixed stars. The ancients didn't know it then, but they were laying the groundwork for our understanding of the planet Mars. The Egyptians, known for their advanced astronomy, named the planet Her-Desher, translating to the Red One, a simple yet fitting tribute to its distinctive color. But it wasn't until the Romans, with their penchant for mythology, that the planet was given the name we know today. Mars, the Roman god of war, was a fitting namesake for the Red Planet, reflecting the deity's association with blood and battle. However, the true nature of Mars remained a mystery until the invention of the telescope. This pivotal moment in history brought Mars from a mere point of light to a world of its own. The year was 1610, and it was Galileo Galilei who first aimed his primitive telescope at the Red Planet. Although his observations were rudimentary, they marked the beginning of a detailed study of Mars. Over the centuries, telescopic advancements allowed astronomers to observe the planet's polar ice caps and its rotation period, which remarkably is similar to Earth's. The discovery of these features fueled speculation about the possibility of life on Mars, a question that continues to intrigue us today. By the late 19th century, Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli reported seeing canali, or channels on Mars, a term later misinterpreted as canals. This sparked widespread speculation about intelligent life on Mars, a notion that inspired a wealth of science fiction and popular culture. And thus began a new era of Mars exploration. From Earth-based observations to interplanetary missions, our quest to understand this enigmatic red planet has spanned centuries, cultures, and technologies. As we delve deeper into the story of Mars, we'll explore the modern missions that have transformed Mars from a distant point of light to a world within our reach. As telescopes evolved, so did our understanding of Mars. The Red Planet was no longer just a speck in the night sky, but an intricate world that begged to be explored. The telescope era brought us astronomers like Christian Huygens. In the late 17th century, Huygens observed a curious, bright white spot on the Martian surface. With his primitive telescope, he speculated that these were polar ice caps, similar to those on Earth. This was our first hint that Mars might not be so different from our home planet. Fast forward to the 19th century when an Italian astronomer named Giovanni Schiaparelli stepped into the picture. With his more advanced telescope, Schiaparelli embarked on a mission to map Mars. He meticulously documented the Martian surface, detailing a network of lines he called canali, or channels. And then, the plot thickened. When Schiaparelli's maps made their way to the English-speaking world, a mistranslation caused a sensation. Canali, instead of being translated as channels, was understood as canals. The difference might seem trivial, but it's not. Canals imply intelligent life, a civilization that has harnessed the resources to build such structures. The mere suggestion of this sent the public and scientific community into a frenzy of speculation. Could there be life on Mars? Despite the excitement, the canals of Mars were later debunked. As telescope technology improved, astronomers found no evidence of these supposed structures. It was a blow to those hoping for Martian neighbors, but a testament to the power of scientific progress and the importance of careful translation. The telescope era, with all its ups and downs, forever changed our perception of Mars. We began to see the red planet not as a distant, unreachable world, but as a neighbor, full of potential and mystery. It was a period of discovery, controversy, and most importantly, growth. Mars, it seemed, was full of surprises. The advent of space exploration brought Mars within our reach. Our journey to the red planet took a significant leap forward in the mid-20th century. In 1965, Mariner 4, a spacecraft from NASA, made the first successful flyby of Mars, sending back 21 photos of the Martian surface. These images, although grainy, gave us our first real look at another planet, igniting an even greater desire to explore and understand Mars. In the mid-70s, our ambitions carried us even further. The Viking missions, Viking 1 and Viking 2, not only orbited Mars, but also landed on its surface. These missions brought back invaluable data about the Martian atmosphere, weather, and even the possibility of life. For the first time, we had a glimpse into the daily life on Mars. From dust storms to freezing temperatures, fast forward to the 21st century, and we've sent a multitude of rovers to Mars. Each one, from Spirit and Opportunity to Curiosity and Perseverance, has a unique mission and set of scientific tools. They've explored Martian craters, climbed mountains, and even drilled into the Martian soil. These rovers have discovered signs of past water on Mars, raising the tantalizing possibility that Mars may once have harbored life. Today, these rovers are our eyes and ears on Mars, sending back stunning images and valuable data every day. They've even allowed us to hear the sounds of Mars for the first time. It's as if we're right there, exploring the red planet alongside them. Alongside these rovers, orbiters like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter continue to circle Mars, studying its atmosphere and serving as a vital communication link between Earth and our Martian explorers. Our journey to Mars has been a long and challenging one, fraught with failures and setbacks. But each success, each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding this fascinating world. From a distant red dot to a place we can almost touch, Mars has truly become a world within our reach. Mars, once a distant red dot, is now a world we're beginning to understand. So, what does the future hold for Mars exploration? As we cast our gaze into the future, we see a horizon teeming with innovation, ambition, and the indomitable spirit of human curiosity. Plans are already underway for a multitude of missions that will continue to unravel the mysteries of the red planet. One of the key objectives of these future endeavors is the search for past or present life on Mars. The Mars Sample Return Mission, a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, is slated to launch in the late 20s. Its goal? To collect and return samples from Mars to Earth, where we can analyze them in a way no rover could ever match. These samples may hold the key to discovering whether Mars once harbored life. But the future of Mars exploration isn't just about robots. Humans too have Mars in their sights. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-20s, a stepping stone toward the ultimate goal, sending humans to Mars. This mission, planned for the mid-30s, will mark a monumental milestone in our quest to become a multi-planetary species. Beyond NASA, private space companies are also setting their sights on Mars. SpaceX's Starship, with its ambitious design and reusable technology, plans to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars within this century. This isn't just exploration, it's colonization, the next giant leap in our relationship with the red planet. And let's not forget about the scientific advancements that are sure to follow. The development of technologies for living on Mars, such as producing water, growing food, and generating power, could revolutionize our understanding of sustainable living right here on Earth. The future of Mars exploration is a thrilling vista of possibilities, each one propelling us further into the unknown. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our insatiable appetite for discovery. As we continue to explore Mars, who knows what secrets this red planet holds?